All right, let's take a look outside. There is no defense for 100 degrees. I don't care how you slice this one. It is just sweltering out there. 100 degrees, and it's pretty much going to stay like that. Today we had a high of 102 at Camp Mabry and at the airport 100. And again, this is day 6 out of the how many days have we had? 10 whole days so far of this month. We are definitely looking at some hot temperatures. Normally we're at about 96 this time of year, so somewhere in between there. We're hoping to meet in the middle, but unfortunately it's going to be a while before these 100-degree temperatures just hit the road for the foreseeable future. Right now it's 100 degrees in Georgetown. It's 98 in Lampasas. It is 96 in Burnet, 99 in Rockdale, and heading over to the east side, it's still 99 in Giddings and 99 or 98 in LaGrange. And you put these heat index readings into the picture, and we are just looking at nothing short of sweltering. 105 degrees in Giddings, 104 Lampasas, 107 in San Marcos. All I can do is stress for the 900th time, please check on your elderly. A lot of times they don't have a proper means of conveying exactly how they're feeling when they would like to tell you, so at least do them a favor and check on them. And young children too, on the other side of that scale, they like to play outside, and sometimes they can overdo it. And in these hot temperatures, a lot of times what ends up happening with them is they overdo it and they end up really sick. So a quick look at what we can expect for the next 24 hours or so, a little less than 24 hours. Again, right now this says 97. It should say 100 degrees. Just be careful. These temperatures have been up and down within an hour. And 90 degrees in for us right now by 10 o'clock, and by 7 o'clock in the morning, not very much cooling action going on there at 78 degrees. The winds are out of the south at Camp Mabry, so they're trying to give us a little bit of relief, but it is just warm air. Even at the airport, we're looking at 12. And our mold count still high. That heat isn't helping at all, and we're going to forecast high again tomorrow as well. Again, it's just going to be pretty miserable, even just across the United States. We do have heat advisories basically right to the north of Austin into a good section of the country, all the way up past Iowa, into Nebraska, and off to the east, past Tennessee. It is just hot across most of the nation right now. Satellite and radar composite, I wish we had some rain to contend with, but that could very well be changing. We put this into motion, and we're looking at hour by hour, even into by later on today. It's still going to remain mostly cloudy or partly cloudy, but that's about it. Just maybe a passing cloud giving us some shade here and there. And taking a look at the Atlantic, it has been very active. This system here is moving off to the northwest, but it's expected to kind of do a turn and really not affect the United States. They are giving it a 60% chance of development, but then this one is new, a 10% chance of development here in the ocean, just to the south of that storm. And then moving on closer to home, we still have this low, which is just spinning around, and it is expected to move up to the northwest, take a turn, hit Louisiana. That means no rain for us. There is one little model that puts it right into Austin, but it is just one little model. I'm not putting a lot of faith in it. And it does have a 70% chance of developing, but that's just about it for that. Now, lows overnight, 77 for Rockdale, 77 for Georgetown. Pretty much 77s no matter how you slice it. And then highs tomorrow, 100. Pick a place. It's going to have a 1 and a 0 behind it. And insert next number after that. Those heat indices could be in the 109-degree range. Be careful. 78 degrees for us overnight, 102 tomorrow. Calm winds, no breeze. Forget about it. That's not going to happen. Now, the next 3 days still hot. We do have a small chance of showers, mainly east of I-35, but even with those showers, we remain in the 100-degree range until at least next Tuesday. I'll have more weather for you in one more look. And of course, you can always go to KXAN.com for the latest.